Hi everyone. I would like to teach you about present perfect tense today. In the series of tenses that we have learnt, today we are going to learn about present perfect tense. There are certain rules that we have to remember while constructing a sentence in its present perfect form. So you can see here has or have plus past participle. In the chart shown, you can see past time, present time, and future time. You can see below the x-axis which shows past, present and future times. We know the meaning for tense is tempus, which is time. So what do you mean by past participle? In the rule shown here. Let's go to the note section. I will list out different verb forms. First one is the present form. Let's take the word see, for example. In the past form, you have saw. In the past participle form, it is seen. These are the three different verb forms. We also have present participle form seeing. So let us look at the chart which gives you the compressed rule book of all the sentence forms. The first rule is completed activities in the immediate past. Something has happened just now. For instance, let's say he has just gone out. You can see that it has not happened very far from the present time, but just a few minutes before an action has happened. The second rule is that activity started in the past and might continue to the present. If you look at the example, I have sent him only one letter up to now. So here you have sent only one letter and there is no assurance that you will be sending another letter in the future. The third rule is time is not given and not definite. Have you read Gulliver's Travels? You can speak about a book where no time is specified here. The fourth one is past events and their effects in the present. Let us look at an example. I have cut my finger. You have cut your finger and effect of blood oozing out is happening even now in the present. Let us look at all the sets of rules, the present perfect tenses. Rule 1. To indicate completed activities in the immediate past, just let us go to the notes and jot down examples for the same. I have seen him just now. Second one is he has gone out just now. Third one is it has just struck 10 when you talk about time. Rule 2. The second rule implies to express past action whose time is not given and not definite. Have you read Gulliver's Travels? So it could be about books, or it could be about I have never known him to be angry. It could be about facts about somebody. Next example is I have been to Chennai. I have been to Chennai and usually used to mention sentences for traveling to a particular place. Mr. Hari has been to Japan. That's what is used here in the sentence. Rule 3. To describe past events when we think more of their effect in the present than of the action itself. Gopi ate all the biscuits. I have cut my finger. So the effect is there aren't anything left for you now. Gopi had already eaten the biscuits. I have cut my finger and the effect is it is bleeding now. I finished my work. I mean to say that I am free now. So we concentrate only on the after effects. Rule 4. To denote an action beginning at some time in the past and continuing up to the present moment, often with since and for phrases. I have known him for a long time. He has been ill since last week. We have lived here for 10 years now. We haven't seen Padma for several months. These are the 4 examples. Next, the following adverbs or adverb phrases can also be used with present perfect, apart from those mentioned above. Never, ever in questions only. So far, till, now, yet. In negatives and questions, already, today, this week, this month, etc. Note: the present perfect is never used with adverbs of past time. We should not say, for example, he has gone to Calcutta yesterday. In such cases, the simple past should be used. He went to Kolkata yesterday. Thank you so much for listening.